All right, just cruising around Key West.
Hi, Chuck.
We met Chak. She's one of the biggest parrots I've ever seen, and she's just free to walk around wherever she wants. She's not tied up to anything. That is pretty crazy. Look at that. We look here in an old renovated house, I guess, and she's just chilling there. This poor car has been attacked by the pigeon poop. But look at the size of that parrot, guys. Hey, Chuck. Bark! It's big, dude. And that's a fat pigeon, too. That's not a regular pigeon right here. Key West. Come on, Chaka. Chaka, come on. Come down. Come. Come on, Chuck.